Hey guys, it's Diamond, and I'm so happy today. I will make the last jelly layers here, and because jelly is very beautiful color, and the amount is just so short. Yeah, it's just so few. So only one big piece of the jelly, and that I can only make about five covers. Yeah, and this is the last one cover in the jelly, and this is going to make into the CeCe edition. So you can see I already cut a large piece of layers here. Yes, and the customer has also sent me an email, and she said if I cut this standard regular, the CeCe edition, and if there has any left layers, can be in the packet size. So she will also tag it. So I'm so happy. The amount just really enough one piece of the A6 regular cover. Yes, but only the cover and nothing, and no pocket inside. I'm still confused how to make it, because the jelly is very thin layer. It's not just like other layers, they are very thick. So if one piece like other you can see like chocolate, if one piece is still very sturdy. Yes, and can be very sturdy, and just very strong, like very strong and sturdy layer. They can just to be only one piece. That's no problem. But like jelly is too thin, so I'm thinking how can I do to make it more sturdy, or later I will use all the left pocket to try to make a unique pocket that I don't have in my shop. Yes, so that's what I can do in this A6 pocket cover. Yes, so okay, so now I want to start to make the CeCe edition first. Then just thinking about the left A6 cover. Okay, so let's start making it now. Hi guys, I'm back. And we can see the jelly CeCe edition is here. Yes, the jelly, the layer is really beautiful. I just can't tell you how beautiful it is, but if you see, you can feel it. It's really beautiful. Let's see. And the CeCe edition has a front pocket. Yes, and she want me to choose a button by myself, and so I choose this button. Yes, I think this is very good combination with this button. And also the back has a slide pocket. Yes, the slide pocket, and inside is like this. Yes, a folio, and with a secretary pocket here, and here is a little card dot here. Yes, it's very beautiful. And here, because while I make this down, and I have emailed to Terry. Yeah, Terry, I had to send an email to Terry and ask her about the left layer in the A6, but there is not enough layers to make a complete covers with the pockets. So she said okay, then she won't take the A6. But here I can tell you guys, if you like the jelly, and you can still want it, to make a complete cover in this jelly. I think I will suggest it to you guys. You can choose any letters I have in my shop and to make a new combination. Like you can use the chocolate inside, or you can use the pink inside, or you can use any other inside to be the pocket, and that will be very beautiful too. Yes, so here is the last piece of the A6 regular, and if you guys have someone love the A6 here, love the jelly here, and you can go send me the private message to me, and I will help you to make your order. Okay, so this is the jelly in the CeCe edition today, and it's really beautiful. Yes, and let's see again. And see it close, and we can see the edge. Yes, the edge is very all polished, very shiny. Yes, and with this beautiful button. Yes, and the back. Okay, so there is no more jelly in my shop anymore. Yes, so if you guys interested in the jelly, here still have the opportunity here, and the size is only for the A6, but you have to add some other letters to combine with this jelly cover. Yes, and that will be awesome too. So this is the last opportunity here, and if you guys really interested and like jelly, just make as soon as possible to me. Okay, to send me the private messenger to me. That's okay. Okay, so Terry, this is your jelly in the CeCe edition, and wish you will love it, and wish all you guys will love it too. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye bye.